Today my cat is going to be painting. A little paint here. I accidentally already closed it, but that's okay. A little paint here. Close it all the way. Put it on the ground. Alright, Beauty. Start painting. It's your turn. You paint. Yeah, paint. Give her a second. Of course, gotta bribe her a little bit. Beauty treats down here. It may be too many, but you know. All you gotta do is step on it. You were sitting on it earlier. There you go. Finish up the treats. Finish them up. You gotta come over here. I'm trying to get stuff on it. There we go. Just trying to get her step on it. She's like, there's no more. Hey, Beauty, come back. Step on it again. Good girl. Did you find another piece? Yeah? Good girl. Hey, you gotta come back. There you go. Can you sit down? Good kitty. Yeah. Yeah. You want to see the artwork you're making? Now let's see how it turned out. Sticky, of course. It's not as well as I expected. I expected more than just splotches, I guess. Grab some more from here. And my beautiful blotch of paint. It's actually Beauty's beautiful blotch of paint, but still. Now to see how Beauty reacts to this. Should have grabbed a cup. That's okay. Alright, Beauty. How you feel about this? See your painting. I just painted it a little bit more. Do you like it? Yeah? You gotta tell the camera you like it. Or you don't like it. Or, you know, whatever. It's a box. The box person. You gotta say bye. Bye.